Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, we are there. Really looking forward to be here discussing with you the future of our cities. So it's really a great pleasure. And I was just watching these last panel and was very excited. It's very nice to see how startups are starting shaping the future of our planet. And we are here today to discuss about smart cities and about cities and how technology is evolving and, well, trying to change the life quality, to enhance life quality in our cities. And before giving the word to my colleagues here, I would like just to put some grounds on smart cities. Every time someone asks, what is a smart city? And I've been researching this for my PhD research, and I found more than 200 definitions about smart cities. So it's quite complicated, right? Because maybe we try to make it this difficult, but it's not. I mean, when we go to the streets and when we talk to citizens, we don't need to expect that citizens understand about technology. We are here in probably the largest tech event of the year. We are talking about technology, but a smart city is not just about technology. I have my romanticized, let's say, definition of smart cities, and it's based in 5 big pillars. Smart cities are, technology was in the past, is, and will be a very important driver. But again, back to the point, it's just a driver. Last 4 years, I've traveled in more than 30 countries visiting projects of smart cities, and there is something that is really in common. Successful projects are people-centered. So it's about people. Cities about people. Third pillar, it's about, if there is one goal, it's enhancing life quality. It's about quality of life. We can have a lot of secondary objectives in doing smart cities, but we need to be careful that the final result, the final output will be make the life better in our cities, because we know that we are full of problems in the cities. Fourth one, well, we are talking a lot, mainly things, the change of the century, about the new economies. So we have a creative economy, we have a sharing economy, we have circular economy. This all is about the change in our society and the new cities that we are shaping. So if you are doing a project, or if you're thinking about a project in smart cities, you need to address your project under these perspectives. And last and not the least, and I have started talking about this fifth pillar, well, maybe 4, 5 years ago. It's resilience. And then pandemic came and showed us that, well, a lot of cities that were ranked as the smartest cities in the world, New York, London, Barcelona, they somehow failed during the pandemic to make things happen and to adapt, to mold to this new reality. So smart city is definitely about these 5, let's say, pillars. My romanticized definition for smart cities that, and I coined this when I was in Singapore, having experiences in Singapore. That was my feeling. And Singapore is always ranked one of these top smart cities. But the feeling I had there as a citizen is that smart cities are places that everything seems conspiring to make your life better. We don't know what's behind this magic, but you know that your life today is better than it was yesterday, and then you are very sure that life will be better in the future. I think that is the main objective of us, that are what we are calling the city makers. World was always made by makers. We had the shoes makers, we had the car makers, computer makers in the last revolution, and now we have the city makers. And I understand that we are all here city makers. So